Assalamu alaikum student in biology online class. Today in chapter number 6 enzymes we will discuss about the uses of enzymes. Today we will discuss the uses of enzymes in different industries. Now enzymes are extensively used in different industries for fast chemical reaction. Now in different kind of industries, to proceed the chemical reaction speedily, different kinds of enzymes are there. Today in following industries we will discuss uses of enzymes: food industry, sugar industry, baking industry, paper industry, brewing industry, biological industries, and many more. First of all, we will discuss the use of enzyme in different industries. The food industry. Food industry, enzymes are break starch into simple sugars, and these simple sugars are used in production of white bread. Now those enzymes which convert starch into simple sugar and used in baking industry like bread and buns to bake them. Now the paper industry. In paper industry, enzymes that break down starch into lower viscosity and aids in paper making. Now student, those enzymes which use to lower the viscosity of starch means to lower the thickness of starch, means those enzymes used in paper industry in making the paper. Now those enzymes used to break down the starch. Clear? Now the brewing industry. In this industry, the enzymes that break starch and protein. The products are used yeast for fermentation to produce alcohol. Now student, in this industry, in the enzymes which use to break down starch and protein and to use yeast by the process of fermentation to form alcoholic drinks. Now the biological industries. Now in this industry, enzymes are used for making biological detergents. Now there are some enzymes used in biological detergent, and these enzymes are used for making biological detergents. Now in biological detergents, there are two kinds of enzymes making in biological detergent. Protease enzymes, now used for removal of protein stain from clothes. Now there are enzymes which break down protein into simple polypeptide chain, and these chain are used in the removal of stain from cloth. Now the amylase enzymes. Now those enzymes which convert starch into simple sugar. Now in this, enzymes are used in dishwashing to remove starch residues. Now student, this is the biological industries. Now Other than biological detergent, enzymes are also used in textile industry, like for the purpose of dyeing, washing, etc. These are the uses of enzymes, and where the enzymes are uses in the industries. Hope you will understand the uses of enzymes in the industries. Clear, student?